Yes, sir. Be your own boss YouTube channel where I teach you how to get money by starting your own business, getting passive income, starting side hustles, finding routes for your vehicle, gig economy apps, everything to help you level up in life and get out the 9 to 5 rat race. We about that. And I got a new little gym part-time opportunity. If you own a business, you need, trash taken out. You have an apartment. If you do Airbnb rentals, you have a small apartment complex, duplex. You're in the real estate game. Trash ferries. They pick up the trash for you, so you don't have to do it. They come. Looks like they work with property managers and apartment complexes, and if you ever been to an apartment complex, you see those little small black trash cans sitting outside the apartment door. You can drop the trash in there, and then somebody comes and picks it up and puts it in the big dumpster instead of you having to, put the trash on the back of your trunk and drive it to the dumpster. All right, people who live in apartments know what I mean. But with trash fairs, what they also do is they have a business opportunity where if you own your own truck, you can be a independent contractor and get you your own route and start picking up trash. They only want you to work 2 hours per night, 10 hours a week, 40 hours a month. So, like I said, this is not a full time opportunity. This is not a full time business opportunity, but this will allow you to earn extra income, side income, or, you already got a route throughout the day. And these are evening hours. Then you can, drive through the day and pick these 2 hours up at night, earn some extra money. Or if you have a full time job, you can make some side income with this opportunity. They just want your name, which state you're in, email. They do ask for a background check, so background, make sure it's clean. Can you walk up the stairs? So if you have any issues going up and down stairs frequently, then this may not be for you. Probably gonna have to be able to hold at least 40 to 50 pounds of trash. Not sure how much you got to hold. I'm sure they do give you like a cart or something to move stuff in, but in this case, you go to some apartments without elevators. You would need to be able to tote up and down these stairs, and of course, a truck and valid driver's license, and then clean driving record is also needed. You can say earn supplemental income in the evenings in your local apartment complexes. Apartment complexes are all over the country. I just got a text back from the manager here in Atlanta, looking for people. So I was talking to her, get some details about the position. Most people, like I said, make about 400, 480 every 2 weeks. What's that about? A little over about $1,000 a month. So, like I said, this is a partial income. Like I said, it could pay that truck payment if you got a pickup truck, and you need some extra income. That $1,000 could definitely pay that car note for the truck. So definitely check this out. Check it out. Be your own boss. Get to the coins. We're gonna turn up this summer. Like I say, I want everybody to stack as much cash as possible going into 2023 during this slight recession right now. You got inflation, prices going up, no frivolous spending this summer. We all about stacking cash and loading up for 2023 when everything go on sale, on discount. Houses prices are going down. Car prices are slightly starting to go down, depending on certain models, used cars. So, even though gas prices are going up, certain things are prices are going down. Even though food prices are going up as well. So, like I said, you're gonna need all the extra coins you can get, and make sure you stack that cash. All right, later, be your own boss.